Matter of fact, don't worry about paying yourself for it. I'll just put it on mine.
Alright.
Yeah, never mind what I said.
And then Mike texted me yesterday.
Just let me look at your pay sheet by the end of the week. And then I can just figure it out from there for you.
Mike texted me yesterday about, you know, why I'm paying myself twice to bring the car in and take it out. It's not lifted, so did we not yes, I just want to make sure you were aware that you're doing it right. Well, if I'm doing it right, you don't bring it up, right?
Yeah, now I'm confused.
You're over here, like, making me worried that you start getting money and I'm doing everything wrong. Yeah. Well, this y'all probably ready to do, and then we got this guy over here walking around with his hands in his pocket. You picking it up? Someone's picking up the stuff and I'm picking up the bill. I'm leaving them around. We both leave them get this. What do you get? Dinner for the day. Here. Yeah, no fucking shit. Dog shit? Dog shit for you. Okay. Alright, cool. Dog shit. Cool. I said use the dog shit. Hell yeah, I'm a dog. Well, I know he's got bottles upstairs. Mark. We can go up there. Jim will be here. Jim's a big. Oh, I hear about it. And his daddy will be here too, so his daddy's really losing. You really want to get started? He'll preach to you. You know Jack. I'm all right. Jack will get started on that Christian stuff, man. You won't get him off of it. You know what? It didn't feel like such a cult. You said what? It wasn't such like, it feels like a cult. Oh, yeah. Kind of religious. So I was like, when you go to my son, I need to tell you a question. Hey, do you think you can make us like another side? Get one mark on that. Well, I asked Mike. Your daddy Mike, he might make you a set. Or just make your own. We'll make your own. It just makes sense to have two sets.
Nobody ever fucking used anything but the fucking shifter and the clutch pedal. Yeah. 142,000.
No way.
That's a pretty fucking sweet truck. And it's got a 5.7 in it. It's got a small block in it.